Hi, I'm John M. White, the founder of Aviator-Sunglasses.net. If you need prescription glasses or sunglasses and don't like the frame choices your optometrist offers, consider purchasing a pair of beautiful Randolph Aviator prescription frames. Experience the legacy of American-made craftsmanship with Randolph Aviator prescription frames, engineered for those who demand more from their eyewear. These Randolph Aviator prescription frames are crafted for those who demand quality, durability, comfort, and classic sophistication. Originally designed for U.S. military pilots, these frames boast a rugged yet refined look that suits any occasion. Consider some of the benefits. Frames that are built with lightweight aerospace-grade metal for strength and durability, combined with all-day comfort and use. You can adjust the frame to fit your face with ease by adjusting the nose pads for maximum comfort. Enjoy the iconic Aviator style with stunning finishes that will make you the envy of all your friends. If you decide that you're going to buy a pair of these, they will come in a box like this. Inside, you'll find a really nice cleaning polishing cloth with the Randolph logo on it, and inside there's a flip-top carrying case like this, and inside the carrying case are these beautiful frames. This pair of frames happens to be 23 karat gold with bayonet temples. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions, be sure to let us know. We're happy to answer any questions you have and to help you.